Arisi Maavu dinner recipes in Tamil. Ingredients: 1 cup Arisi Maavu rice flour, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, 1 tsp ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp uid dal, 1 tsp chana dal, 1 sprig curry leaves, a quarter tsp turmeric powder, a half tsp red chili powder, a half tsp coriander powder, a quarter tsp garam masala powder, salt to taste, oil for cooking, water as needed. Instructions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, add the Arisi Maavu and slowly pour in water, stirring continuously to form a smooth and thick batter. Set aside. 2. In a pan, heat oil and add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, uid dal and chana dal. Saute for a minute until the dal turns golden brown. 3. Add in the chopped onions, green chili, and curry leaves. Saute until the onions turn translucent. 4. Add in the ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. 5. Then, add in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. 6. Add in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Mix well. 7. Slowly pour in the prepared Arisi Maavu batter and mix well with the onion-tomato mixture. 8. Cook for 5–7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the batter thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. 9. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down for a few minutes. 10. Once cooled, take small portions of the mixture and shape them into round balls or patties. 11. Heat oil in a pan for shallow frying the Arisi Maavu balls or patties. 12. Carefully place the balls or patties in the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown on all sides. 13. Drain the fried Arisi Maavu balls or patties on a paper towel to remove excess oil. 14. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or dip. Enjoy your delicious Arisi Maavu dinner. Ingredients: 1 cup Arisi Maavu rice flour, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, a quarter cup green peas, a quarter cup chopped carrots, a quarter cup chopped beans, a quarter cup chopped bell peppers, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp uid dal, 1 tsp chana dal, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp garam masala powder, salt to taste, water as needed, oil for frying. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, add the Arisi Maavu, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. Mix well. 2. Gradually add water and knead the dough until it becomes soft and pliable. Cover and let it rest for 10–15 minutes. 3. In a pan, heat oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, uid dal, and chana dal. Let them splutter. 4. Add onions, green chili, and stew until the onions turn translucent. 5. Add tomatoes and cook until they become soft. 6. Add the chopped vegetables and cook for a few minutes. 7. Add salt and mix well. 8. Make small balls out of the dough and flatten them into thin discs. 9. Place a spoonful of the vegetable mixture on one half of the disc and fold the other half over it. Press the edges to seal it.